You came here to learn how to remove the green screen in DaVinci Resolve. That is exactly what I am going to show you how to do. Let's not waste time. Let's jump right in. Hello creators! Today we're going to learn how to remove the green screen inside of DaVinci Resolve. It's a free video editor. I'm using the latest version 8.6, 18.6, and it's the free version. So the first thing we want to do is click on Cut here and import some media. We're going to import this dancing alien here. Then we're going to import a moon. I got a picture of a moon here. We're going to import that as well. So we're going to drag our moon down here, and we're going to drag our dancing alien down here as well. Now what we want to do is click on Edit, and we can see things a little better. We're going to drag the moon out here to the length of the clip. So what we want to do now is we want to highlight our alien. Then we're going to jump over here to our Fusion tab. And what we want to do there is make sure that our effects box is open. We're going to click on Search, and we want Delta Keyer, which shows up right here. So what we do, we drag our Delta Keyer to the middle here of our node, make sure that it's attached good. So what we do then is where it says background color, click on this gray box, then click on this green. That removed it. We hit OK. Now we go back to our edit window, and you can see that the green screen has been removed. So we click on play, and there we have our dancing alien. I'm going to move this moon over a little bit, or the alien, excuse me, to the middle of the moon here. We click on play, and now we have our dancing alien. Pretty simple, guys. That's how you remove the green screen inside of DaVinci Resolve. That's all I have for you today. Until next time, take care.